Your SaaS stack is bleeding your business dry. $300 a month. 400, sometimes more. All for tools that barely talk to each other. Let me paint you a picture. You're running a consulting business. Calendly for scheduling, $24 a month. HubSpot CRM for leads, $45. Zapier to connect them, $20. That's $90 monthly, just to book a meeting and track a lead. And when a client reschedules, you're manually updating 3 different systems. I just replaced all 3 with one AI agent. Took 4 hours to set up. Costs me $12 a month to run. Same functionality. Actually better. Here's what this agent actually does. Client emails wanting to schedule a call. The agent reads the email, checks my calendar through Google Calendar API, suggests 3 time slots based on my preferences, no early mornings, buffer time between meetings. It sends a professional reply with options. Client picks a time, agent books it, creates the CRM entry with their company details pulled from their email signature and LinkedIn, sets up the Zoom room, sends calendar invites to both of us. One workflow, 0 manual steps. I built this for Sarah, a marketing consultant, last month. She was paying Acuity, Pipedrive, and Make.com, $130 monthly. Her agent now handles intake forms, scheduling, lead scoring, and follow-up sequences. Her words, "It's like having an assistant who never sleeps and costs less than my coffee budget." The agent runs on OpenAI's GPT-4, connected to Google Workspace through APIs. It has memory, remembers client preferences, meeting patterns, your communication style. Unlike Calendly, which just books meetings, this thing understands context. Book me with the IBM prospect who wanted to discuss Q4 strategy. It knows exactly who you mean. Here's the cost breakdown. OpenAI API calls, maybe $8 a month for a solo consultant. Google Workspace APIs, free up to generous limits. Hosting on Railway or Versal, $4 monthly. Total running cost, $12. Compare that to your current SaaS stack. But here's what most people get wrong about AI agents. They think it's about replacing humans. It's not. It's about replacing repetitive software tasks that waste your time and money. The booking, the data entry, the status updates. Your creativity, strategy, client relationships, that's still you. Setting this up isn't rocket science, but it requires thinking like an architect, not a user. You need to map your current workflows, identify the data handoffs, design the decision trees. Most business owners try to wing it. They end up with a chatbot that books meetings at 3 a.m. because they forgot to set time zone preferences. The 3-step process I use with clients. First, audit your current tools. What data flows where? What manual steps happen between systems? Second, design the agent logic. If this, then that, but with natural language understanding. Third, test with edge cases. What happens when someone wants to reschedule 5 minutes before the meeting? I've done this replacement for 12 businesses now. Average savings, $215 monthly. Average setup time, 6 hours of focused work. The payback period, less than 1 month. One warning though, this isn't for every business. If you're doing complex project management or need advanced reporting dashboards, specialized SaaS tools might still win. But for scheduling, basic CRM, and workflow automation, AI agents are crushing traditional tools on cost and flexibility. Your current SaaS stack treats you like a configuration option. AI agents adapt to how you actually work. Stop paying hundreds of dollars monthly for tools that make you change your business process to fit their limitations. Visit keepersharp.com and let's build an agent that works exactly how your business needs it to.